Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade marshmallows. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, light corn syrup, and a touch of vanilla extract for flavor. Essential tools include a stand mixer, a reliable candy thermometer, and a 9x13-inch baking pan. Remember to prepare your pan by lightly greasing it and dusting it generously with a 50-50 mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch. This prevents sticking later on. Now, let's get started with the initial steps. Begin by blooming 3 packets of unflavored gelatin in 1/2 cup of cold water in your stand mixer bowl. Let it sit for at least 5 minutes to soften. Simultaneously, in a medium saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Then bring it to a boil until it reaches precisely 240 degrees Fahrenheit. This is where the magic happens. Once your sugar syrup reaches temperature, carefully and slowly pour it into the gelatin mixture in your stand mixer bowl, with the mixer running on its lowest speed. After all the syrup is incorporated, increase the speed to high. Whip the mixture continuously for about 12 to 15 minutes. You'll see it transform into a thick, glossy, and beautifully white marshmallow fluff, tripling in volume. Finally, it's time to finish our homemade marshmallows. Carefully pour the fluffy marshmallow mixture into your prepared 9x13-inch pan, spreading it evenly with an offset spatula. Let it set undisturbed at room temperature for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, to achieve the perfect texture. Once firm, dust a clean cutting surface with more powdered sugar and cornstarch, invert the marshmallow, and cut it into delightful squares. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.